Pretty much junked this up again, didn't I? Oh shit. Follow me through the jungle. What that thing is just fine.
I'm gonna have to go ahead of you. You do not know how to walk through the woods.
I don't know how to walk through the
You're
woods.
flipping limbs all over me. I'd hold them for you. Thank you, sir.
Dang, I should have bought my saw and cut this. This could make killing one way. Watch out for that. God, this is wild, man. Can't we find a pecan?
Well, it used to be a creek.
Yeah, this is our waterfront property. Waterfront property.
Still with me?
Hey. Now you just let the limb back on me then.
I am dodging them.
It looks like that's forever clean out of this so you can walk right here.
Wow.
Look, see, I got a lawnmower right there. See, I still ain't got no right of way back here. Yeah, if I did, just put a damn house right here. I ain't got no way in it though.
Go for the holes.
Damn, so narrows up here. I mean, it's still wide. But it narrows up.
That's it.
Look what they've been throwing cans over in our yard.
Like we'd ever knowed it.
We're gonna put a stop to it.
You will come back here every day.
There's a pine tree there. You got a pine tree already down. Let's go this way. What in the hell is this?
A grave.
It's a grave. Sleepy Holler grave.
Look at the fence. Oh my
it's
God.
crushed, ain't it? Look, there's ain't a fence there. See, it's our fence stops right there. Yeah, there is. There's a fence right there.
Where's that damn dog?
I guess the bad man's
Peanut didn't come with us this time. Man, that fence is messed up.
Imagine if we had small kids. They'd have fun back here, wouldn't they?
I would.
That's what we did.
They still do it.
Light them on fire one time.
I get mad at you, I'll just come back here.
There's a fence right here.
You hear me?
Ground.
I'll get mad at you, I'll just come back here and sit for a while and cool off.
Yeah. You on Budman's property. No trespassing.
He don't care.
I wish we had a damn oak tree like that building.
I'm sure. How did I cross that fence?
I know you. I think they packed some trees. They have wood, don't they?
Look at the damage.
I know, it's still damn wood back here. That's what I'm talking about this winter when it gets kind of cool. By then, because I'm going to start messing around back here. We got wood to burn for our damn party, don't we?
This is mosquito haven right here. You'll put something in this mess, it'll be a mosquito haven.
That's over a fence. It really gets close out there. You ain't going through that all the way. That tells me it's been wood there for a long time.
Oh, these trees pulled up.
Not many people got backyards like that, do they, honey? Not many people want backyards.
Nobody wants one.
Not for real, no.
Get back over this way. There was a building right there.
Huh?
Used to be a building right there. Looks like
No,
the tree
that's
got
part
it.
of our building that blew off of it during the storm.
Look at the tree.
Them trees been down since Frederick, probably. I don't think Katrina knocked all that down.
The snake bin.
Huh?
Snake.
They are?
Are they down there?
I ain't gonna be no
Well, no, I don't see one. You will know it if I see a snake.
Oh, the go time?
Now you better have something to kill it with, because I ain't moving.
I'll be back there cleaning up. Look at all these flower pots, huh?
I know, I've been back this far. Yeah, it's a mess. Oh well. We'll get there. I thought they had pigs or something there.
No. Yo, pigs.
Pigs.
I think this right here was a garden at one time.
You think?
I think so, because you can tell it's all smooth out there in the soil. It's real rich soil. So I'm going to burn it so fast. Yeah, keep going. Let's go this way.
That's pretty right there. Will be.
Huh?
That's gonna be pretty, but it's gonna have to go.
What?
This.
What is that?
It's like the sense from my mom. It's the snowball thing.
Oh, yeah.
Snowball fires. Poke salad. See the poke salad back here will never starve. Alright.
Big, ain't it? There's a cooking pot. Can we wash it out and reuse it? I see a 5-gallon bucket from him.
I'm not even discussing it. I'm gonna start calling you Fred Sanford. I swear I am. Collect more junk.
get all this big stuff up, I'll get Bobby to bring that bush hog back over here. You know what I mean?